This is Grace. Today we are going to make air fryer buffalo wings. To make the crispy skin, we need the wings to be dry. First, using kitchen towel to dry the wings, try to dry them as much as possible. Then add 1 teaspoon each of starch and baking powder, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to 1 pound of wings. I have about 2 pounds today, so I added double the amount. The starch and the baking powder will further absorb the moisture. Lay the wings out on a rack. Put them in the fridge to dry overnight, or at least 8 hours. You can air fry them as is, or like what I usually do, add a crunchy layer. Mix about a 1/4 cup each flour and cornmeal in a bowl. You can use just flour, but I find adding cornmeal will give a better texture. Beat 1 egg in another bowl. Dip the wing into the egg first, then into the flour. Spray cooking oil to the air fryer basket, then start preheat for about 5 minutes. Spray the oil on the wings as well. Add the wings into the air fryer. Let them cook for 5 minutes. Using a spatula to mix the wings so they don't get stuck. Mix the wings again after 10 minutes. Cook for a total of 25 minutes. The wings will have golden color when they're done. Use a spatula if they got stuck. For the buffalo sauce, heat a tablespoon of butter in a saucepan. Add a clove of pressed garlic. Stir lightly, then add about a 1/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and a tablespoon of vinegar. If you like extra spicy, add a little chili powder. Transfer the wings into the saucepan. Cover and shake to coat the wings with the sauce. It's time to enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.